The Hugh Wooding Law School remains a sore issue for the government and Guyanese law students alike. There was talk of the signing of an agreement that would have made it easier for the Guyanese students, but that has yielded little result. This is according to Attorney General Basil Williams.
They were ready to make certain concessions and sign, etc. But that matter was sent to a subcommittee by the chairman of the Council of Legal Education, Ms. Jacqueline Samuels Brown. I have not heard from her up to now about the status of that agreement. And the University of Guyana likewise. So we don't know what they're doing.
The Legal Affairs Minister described the process where the government's intervention and subsequent request of the CARICOM heads of government meeting saw the embattled Guyanese students being accepted to the school. He told media operatives also that his intervention saw special arrangements being made after the increase in fees. The Attorney General remained resolute in his claim that the issues were inherited from the PPP.
What I know is that the last government abdicated this responsibility to the students, and we've stopped paying any contribution. As a result, the economic cost was transferred to each student.
Williams said the administration was cash-strapped and couldn't afford any monetary aid to the students. But there is a promise by the Attorney General to ensure that the situation is eventually resolved.
I am looking at things. I'm looking at ways and options, which I don't wish to disclose now. But there's a presumption that we will do everything in our power to try to assist the students. But the long-term goal has to be perhaps the question of a law school in Guyana, because all of the other countries are moving in that direction.
The Legal Affairs Minister had disclosed earlier that the government was also eyeing the possibility of establishing a private public law school. Minister Williams said this suggestion has not been brought to Cabinet, but exploring the pros and cons would be necessary. Rihanna?